Hello, I'm David Brian Young the first. I am the purchasing director here at the University of Central Oklahoma. I think that what ImageNet brought to us was a true cloud solution. ImageNet, from the very onset of their arrival here at the university, from their top management down to those who greet you as a receptionist, have all been very helpful. One of the things that I think that makes ImageNet a company of choice is that ImageNet goes beyond what is traditional. For example, here at the University of Central Oklahoma, ImageNet has provided us with a technician that is here on our campus 40 hours a week. It's those extra added things that make ImageNet, in my opinion, the company of choice. I think every campus, every university throughout this country, one of the massive issues that they face from day to day is the management of images. When you have students that enroll here and they have a need to have electronic equipment, oftentimes that equipment doesn't encompass a printer. The difference that ImageNet made for us that is really noticeable is that they really went into our print centers in the library, our student access printing, and they allowed a flexibility there for the students and the university that I believe is beyond comparisons in what others are able to offer. Students are looking for that university that is involved in innovation. And I think that ImageNet provides that in a vast range of products. I think that this university has saved tremendously from the use of ImageNet's products, its expertise, and its advice. So I would recommend that any university, and certainly any company, get on board and take a visit with ImageNet and learn how they too can put most of their difficulties in the cloud.